Welcome to the European Adaptation Platform Climate Adapt, a partnership between the European Commission and the European Environment Agency. This video is designed to familiarize the users of Climate Adapt how to get started towards the adaptation information on local, national, transnational, and European level, tools and guides, and how this information can be used to assess impacts, vulnerabilities, and risks. This platform will be frequently updated, sections and pages will change all the time as Climate Adapt evolves. Climate Adapt is a key element of the European Union climate change adaptation strategy with the aim to support better informed decision-making in Europe, helping users to access and share data and information on observed and expected climate change in Europe, current and future vulnerability of regions and sectors, European Union national and transnational adaptation strategies and actions, adaptation case studies and potential adaptation options, tools that support adaptation planning. Climate Adapt organizes information under the following main entry points: European Union policy, EU sector policies, EU adaptation policy, EU regional policy, countries, transnational regions, cities, transnational regions, country profiles, cities and towns, knowledge, topics, tools, data and indicators, research projects, practice, networks. The platform includes a database that contains quality-checked information that can be easily searched. To plan or implement adaptation measures at the national or regional level, click on the Countries, Transnational Regions, Cities drop-down menu on the horizontal bar across the top of the web page. Select Country Profiles. This will open a new web page with information on the status of the national adaptation strategy and plan in each European Environment Agency member country, which is provided by each member state under the European Mechanism for Monitoring and Reporting Information Relevant to Climate Change. Search by country in the drop-down menu or select a country by clicking on the map, which can be organized by theme to show countries with national adaptation strategies or national adaptation plans. By clicking on a country, you will be directed to that web page, where you can find a summary of adaptation actions as well as information on a country's policy and legal framework, sectors and actions, assessment, stakeholder engagement, and contact information. To find out more about how others have used Climate Adapt to develop a national or regional adaptation strategy or action plan, click on the Knowledge drop-down menu on the horizontal bar across the top of the web page. Select Climate Adapt Use Cases under the Practice section. This page explains how Climate Adapt has assisted users in the uptake of the adaptation information stored in the platform to support decision-making on adaptation in Europe at all governance levels and for all steps of the adaptation policy cycle, contributing to a greater level of coordination among sectors and institutional levels. The table shows how Climate Adapt knowledge has been used across Europe in a variety of policy processes supporting decision-making, from research to developing evidence documents feeding into policy, informing the development of national adaptation strategies and national adaptation plans, supporting participatory processes, supporting decision-making, and developing funding proposals. For examples of how Climate Adapt has been used to develop a national or regional adaptation strategy or action plan, see Use Cases 3 to 8. By clicking on the Download button on the right side of the table, you will find information on the use case, including the challenge, the approach, and future plans. Furthermore, the Adaptation Support tool under Knowledge Tools can assist users interested in planning or implementing adaptation measures at the national or regional level by providing guidance, links to relevant sources, and dedicated tools. This video guides you to and through key sections of the Climate Adapt website and might have helped you in finding, gathering, and the uptake of the adaptation information stored in the platform for your work in climate adaptation in Europe. If you still have a question or would like to search on another way, please consult one of the following sections: About Sitemap, Help section Introduction, Glossary, Frequently Asked Questions, Search.